news just into our newsroom. New Mexico State releasing the findings from its independent investigation conducted by the Rodey Law Firm into a shooting last November involving NMSU basketball player Mike Peak. I'm Carla Draxler, and thank you so much for joining us. Our KTSM 9 Sports Director Colin Deaver joins us, and he's been following this story for months now. Colin, what did that report say?
Carla, the university releasing a two-page document of the Rodey Law Firm's findings. The Rodey Law Firm says that based on its investigation, there were no violations of NCAA or WAC rules, and there are also no failures by NMSU to meet its legal obligations to its student athletes. The most jarring piece of information from this two-page memo to me is that some witnesses, including multiple NMSU players and coaches, either refused to be interviewed for this investigation or were otherwise unavailable, or both. Now, the law firm's main point beyond that was to provide recommendations to the school that NMSU can choose to implement to better ensure that something like this does not happen again, including improved team curfews, a weapons policy that prohibits student athletes strictly from having firearms during school-sanctioned trips or activities, better communication with law enforcement, the strengthening of the institutional culture of NMSU athletics, improved oversight of student athletes, including how and when information regarding misconduct by a student athlete should be shared among various stakeholders within the university, and a revision of the NMSU student handbook. You can find full details of that on our website, ktsm.com. Now, NMSU Chancellor Dan Arvizu releasing a statement along with the executive summary saying in part, quote, while the report did not identify any failure by the university to meet its legal obligations, we now know that we have areas that can be strengthened, end quote. Arvizu also said that the university would be putting together a task force to work with the Board of Regents to address the Rodey Law Firm's recommendations. And this is all as a result, again, of a deadly shooting on November 19th, 2022, in which NMSU basketball player Mike Peak was assaulted in Albuquerque by 3 UNM students. Peak and Brandon Travis exchanged gunfire. Travis was killed. Peak was injured. 3 Aggies players also arrived after the shooting to aid Peak. Head coach Greg Heyer, assistants Dominique Taylor, Lorenzo Jenkins, and others spoke with law enforcement that day and handed over key pieces of evidence. As of today, no one involved with NMSU has been charged with a crime in that case. 3 UNM students have been charged with multiple crimes for their actions involving that. Now, important to note here, there are still ongoing investigations into the events of November 19th currently being conducted by state police as well as the Bernalillo County District Attorney's Office. NMSU is also investigating serious hazing allegations against 3 of their players, but that is an entirely different investigation that is still ongoing. We'll have more on the story in our 6 p.m. sportscast as well as at 10 on KTSM. Carla.